sa loob ng aeroplano. And saan tayo pupunta, Noe?
Philippines.
Uwi kami ng Pilipinas, pero may layover kami sa Korea. This is a 15-hour flight. Pagdating namin ng Korea, mag-tour muna kami ng konti. Antok na antok na. This is our first flight meal. We have bibimbap, KitKat, and tapos ito yung sa plates. Tulad pa sila sa mamaya namin na pork yata with mashed potato. Pasta with shrimp, brownies. May binigay na activities for the kids and stickers. And then, meron din na origami. Ito. Animals na origami. Yung last flight namin na Asiana din. Ganito rin yung binigay nila.
Everything like how she makes you so happy. I'll listen patiently for you before I leave. My kind of party, no drinking, just conversations and thinking. I like the way that you're thinking, but
They also gave us this pouch na may lamang slippers. Suot ko na yung slippers and then brush. You're eating yogurt. This is our meal. Noe is having omelette. And ito naman yung food ko. I'm having kimchi with beef. Parang ganun. Spicy daw. So, hindi pwede sa kids. May fruits and yogurt, tsaka bread. And Sprite.
I'm kinda shy, I don't look it. I saw the chance and I took it, but you're not looking back. Living in a hazy world, I just can't control the way you make me dance in the room. Nobody's watching, no, just our bodies, you and me. And when the night is over, say you just can't control the way you feel with me. But I can tell that somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine. Somebody else is on your mind while you're still on mine.
Hey guys, we're now here in Korea and we're going to the city. Kami sa Seoul. This is exclusive for transit passengers na dadaan ng Korea. So, mahaba yung layover namin sa Korea. Kaya, in-avail namin tong Free Korea Transit Tour. We're on our way now. Mayroong bus. We're going to the Gyeongbokgung Palace.
You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels
University is famous for its medical school and the business school and law school. It is very difficult to first, and then you will see the Gwangbong Palace. Actually, Gyeongbokgung Palace do not open today, so that's one of our reason to visit Changdeokgung.
Yeah.
I've been waiting all waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels amazing. Starting now with you, and I don't mind. You give me butterflies when you smile, and it feels so good. It just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? You give me butterflies.
My
I'm surprised. The thought of your kiss
shorts.
as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask. Wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do?
Sabi niya, hindi yan nainitan.
You keep running around my head, just dreaming of any possibility. Oh, ain't come by the moment where I'm lying next to you. It's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies.
Very
You
expensive
smile and it feels
tile
so
room.
good.
This is
Just
tile.
can't hide. I wanna hold
Kind of ceramic.
Ceramic
too
roof.
shy. Just me and you. What should I
I will explain about this building.
butterflies? I'm surprised. The thought of your kiss as the people walk by. I'm just dying to ask. Wouldn't hurt to try. Just me and you. What should I do?
Init guys, it's 84 degrees Fahrenheit dito pero feels like 98. Super init.
Mamaya, kahit may budget $6. Mas mainit pa sa Amerika. Mas mainit pa.
Wow!
Hindi na sanay dito.
Laking states.
Mommy?
Settling in, settling down.
Ang ganda.
Falling in love. Each of us both gone in the ground.
Oo, bibili si Daddy.
You got the right to be nice. You got the right to be with us. We do what we gotta do to stay winning. Crossing the line to keep I love you better today. It's gonna play out the same. I love you better today than yesterday. Every day it's gonna play out the same. It's gonna play out the same. Growing is my heart. Say what we mean.
Init.
Say it from the heart.
Where's mommy?
Narito, to your left. To your left. I want to take a shower in the airport later.
Take a shower.
Yeah.
Take a shower right here.
But you have to pay $6. So we can hear.
Mga miniature.
55,000.
Tapos may music box.
Oh, cute. Magkano?
19,000 won.
Magkano yun?
Ano eh? Parang daw 1,400 won yata is $1. Ay, ito ano meron dito? Ay, beauty. Kumain muna tayo. May pie. May pie. Ayan o. Bili tayo ng fridge magnet. Kakain. Siguro pwede. Vegetarian pala yun. Nagbablog ka, Noe. Ang laki naman ang camera mo. Ang laki ng camera ni Noe. Nagbablog siya. Dito. Kaya kakain. Dito sila. I'll try to tell you everything. Hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Insadong Street. So dito pala yung mga antique shops, mga souvenirs. Yeah. So naghahanap kami ngayon ng makakainan. Alin? Yan? Ano to? Oo, may aircon. Ano? Fridge magnet. Fridge magnet dito. Ito. Korean. Pera mo na sa pila. Hindi kayo kukuha ang pagkain.
No, yan ang binibideo mo. Hello guys, nasa Korea kami ngayon. Ang init. Mas mainit pa kaysa sa US. Tara na bumalik sa airport. No, wait, tara na bumalik sa airport. You wanna go back to the airport? Oh man. Dami na yung tao.
Kain ka ba tayo?
Sa airport na lang. Ha?
Twinkles and grace, don't be alarmed.
Here, stickers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is Korean tea,
Ay.
cinnamon tea, latte.
That's right, thank you.
Lagi nila sa madami.